Home Remedies presents Urinary tract inflammation, famous doctor's recipe, bladder, purifying the kidneys, prostate, incredible. Clean urinary tract infection, bladder, kidneys in 21 days. Natural medicine, it is incredibly useful. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C, meaning it will increase the acidity of urine, which comes in handy in times of infection. Acidic urine prevents the growth of bacteria in the urinary tract. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: 300 grams cauliflower, 750 ml of water, 3 cups, 5 sprigs of parsley, 1 lemon. Directions: take cauliflower, wash and break into small pieces. Take a saucepan and add 3 cups of water to it. Allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, wash the cauliflower and add it to it. Cover and boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the cauliflower and keep aside in a bowl to be used as a salad. The recipe of a very famous doctor, cauliflower water cure, is ready to be used. Divide the cauliflower juice into 3 cups. Drink 1 glass in morning on empty stomach, 1 glass in the noon, drink 1 glass in evening on empty stomach. Take 5 sprigs of parsley and soak in water for 10 minutes and wash. Once done, chop it, add it with cauliflower and take juice of a lemon and add to it. You can eat this as a salad. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.